Ooh, touch.
Your boy Tsunami Poppy, and we're back with another video. You dig? We're back with another video. This is how to get curly hair. Feel me? I'm gonna teach you all the steps on how I get curly hair. And just a side note, niggas, men, ladies love it when you take care of your hair. So I'm gonna teach y'all. Let's get it.
Usually when I, start this method, I have this big ass scrunchie. I don't know what to call it, but I have this shit right here. Get my little water, whatever concoction this shit is. Conditioner and water type shit. So spray my You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Alright. But like the middle part of my head is shorter than the rest of my hair, so it's like, I mean, I just rake all of that into my, hair, the water, and whatnot. As you can see, like the curls are like starting to, form and shit. Starting to form and whatnot. So I spray a little bit more. I'm almost running out. And I just like play with my hair a little bit and shake my hair and whatnot. And then lastly, what I do is, the fuck is my arm? Yeah, lastly, I get Aussie Miracle Curls. I use this shit right here. This shit does fucking wonders. When you're too broke to afford anything else, you just gotta, get Aussie. I use about this much right here, Going to my hands right quick. I just play with it a little bit. And I shake my hair. Oh shit. That shit hurts. But like I do that. As you can see, the curls are already forming. I'm Odell Beckham, the shit. Oh shit. Yeah, so I just use that, put in my hair a little bit. I look like I got a helmet on my head, but I just pick out my hair a little bit. Shake it some more. Just to get like a I just like pick my hair and just to get as you can see, the curls are forming and shit. And all I do is use water and conditioner. I didn't really get to the gel yet. I didn't really get to it. I didn't really get to that shit yet. So as you see, I got like little stubs of hair in my hand and shit. But wash that right quick. And shout out to the Brody, my man Khalid, the cameraman. He's doing an awesome job being my cameraman. Thank you for for helping me out and whatnot. I'm not done yet. I just gotta you know, spritz some more water. I'm almost out too, so. Spray that shit in my eye, damn. Get some more of this. Just a little bit. Like I said right here. Bear with me, Khalif. It's only gonna be for a little bit more. Just gonna.
I'm fine.
You good?
I'm just, yeah. Shit, all I'm doing is holding the camera.
Let's put this shit right here. All this into my hair. Do I look like Pocahontas yet?
Yeah, you kinda got that, that Palomalu thing going on right now.
Apollo what?
Yeah, the football player.
The who?
The football player. I think his name is like Troy Palomalu.
Who the fuck is that?
He was on like the fucking Steelers. He had a whole commercial about his hair.
Is it the white guy with the hair and the beard?
Oh,
Who?
forget it. I'll tell you later.
Alright.
Dumbass nigga.
Shut up. And all you gotta do is just, you know, water conditioner, shake your hair. You know what I mean?
That whole shaking your head shit should be a trademark.
Nigga, everybody does that shit.
Which is you? just do the fucking video.
Alright, so you see I got all the shit in my hair. Just gonna keep shaking it. And then add some gel. You know what I mean? But my hair is different. It don't like being wet and then adding gel because it's not gonna like stay or whatnot. So I gotta like keep shaking it, let the shit air dry. As you can see, the curls are definitely there. You know, foreign. You know what I mean? This is not good for braid outs. I don't like using this shit for braid outs. But I'm gonna use about this much right here. You dig? Come on. Pick this shit. This my hair's like kinda somewhat long. I'm just gonna keep shaking. And massaging the shit. Let me show like it droops in front of my face, so. And if you ask me my hair texture, I don't know what the fuck this shit is. I just know that my hair just does this bullshit and that's it. Cause by tomorrow, I kid you not, I'm just braiding my hair back up again. And doing another braid out. Cause I do not like, you know, this shit. I like my hair being poofy and curly at the same time. So. Although I don't mind this shit right here, it's not like for me, cause it's just like my hair, it's fucking weird and whatnot. This shit, you gotta shake your hair, shake your head, and your head starts hurting, and then your brain hits your skull, and then you get a concussion, and yeah, get the point. Just rake the shit through your hair, and feel me? I don't want to get the residue out of my hair, so this is what I'm rocking with. This is what your boy rocking with. I'm gonna just clean up my face and call it. Clean up my face and call it a day. Man. Yeah, you get the point. Here's the fine. You got white shit, but it's gonna go away in the morning, so. Alright, but this is it from my curly hair tutorial, how to get curly hair and whatnot. Yeah, this shit is in my eye. Yeah, this shit is like the fine or whatnot, and with the residue in my hair. But leave a like, hit notification bell for more hair, basketball, fashion videos. You know what it is. I'm Poppy. We out.